Hello guys, today I'll be showing you how to make money from Freecash app, how to make and earn money from this Freecash app without even making any investment and withdrawing it into your wallet, either Bitcoin, PayPal, or whichever one you want to withdraw it into. But before we dive into details of today's video, welcome to my YouTube channel, Ojio Billionaire Academy. On this channel I talk about how to make money online, how to claim free cryptocurrency, and how to earn airdrops. So if you are interested in learning how to make money online free, you should go ahead and subscribe to my channel, and also click the notification bell icon so that you'll be notified whenever I upload videos like this. Also, you may as well go ahead and watch some of my previous videos that I have here on my channel, where I talk about how you can make money online and see how you can earn money for yourself. So if you've done that, let's dive into detailed tutorials of today's video. So I'll drop the link to this platform down the description of either in the Telegram channel or the pinned comment of this video. So upon clicking on the link, it will take you to this interface. It will request either to the home screen, this one you see right here, or to the sign up button, whichever one it takes you to. All you need to do is to click input your email address right here, your username, input your password, and also click the check button agreeing to the terms and conditions to the platform. Upon successfully doing that, it will automatically log you into your dashboard. Your dashboard would look just like this. Scan the QR code or click on the Google Play Store link and download the app so that we can get 150 coin reward. But guys, let's just go ahead and check the platform. So you can go ahead and download the app if you want to use the app, or you can use the web version, whichever one you are okay with. So let's just scroll through and see the platform. This is our dashboard, and as you can see right here, we have 0 coin, and it's showing us we are on the end page. So futures offer, so we have yellow card, card, lucky spin. These are all what you can earn. You can earn 12 cents from here, $10 from here, 9 cents, and the likes from all these offers you see here. The futures offers, partners like Time Wall, Low Table, Wall, and the likes. I feel like behind you these offers differs. It could be based on your region or your country, so you just have to take note of that. And the surveys also you can cash out. So your earnings, you earn coins on freecash.com to withdraw with PayPal, Bitcoin, Visa, Amazon, and much more. Crypto withdrawals start from 0.50. Stakes withdrawals start from 0.25 cents. So if you have up to 50 cents, you can withdraw. If you have up to 25 cents, you can withdraw, whichever one you want to use in withdrawing. And you can withdraw through your PayPal, Bitcoin, Stake, Ethereum, Leads, Dodge, and the likes. You can use Visa, Amazon, gift card, and the likes. So this is the various way you can cash out your reward form. So let's see our reward. What do we have here? Free bonus. Let's click on it. Free bonus code. Okay, follow our socials to get notified of when we drop new bonus code. Okay guys, it seems they drop bonus code every day that if you click on it you get reward for it. So let's just quickly check their Twitter handle, and see we are right here at their Twitter page. Oh, and their page was created since March 2020, and they have over 526k followers. Wow, that's quite impressive. And they have, let's check for a code. Okay, here is the code that was dropped today. You must be at level 15 to claim this code. So guys, this code was the code that was dropped today, and it's for only level 15. So new giveaway one day ago, $150 to win as well. They do give away follow, retweet, comment is money. Wow. So guys, you need to follow their socials. Let me quickly do that. Seems they are good at giving away and the likes, so I'll just follow their Twitter page right now. So let's go back. Since we are not at level 15, there's no need checking their Instagram, and we're not eligible for code since we are just coming into this platform. Let's look for something else and do this strike reward. Earn $1,000 or more coin within 24 hours to keep your stake. So if you log in daily for 7 days, you can earn up to 50,000 coins. Wow, that's impressive. You can claim 1,000 more coins today to keep your stake. Time left 5 hours. Wow. So go ahead and download the app, claim, follow us on Twitter and claim 50 coin. Guys, let's follow them and claim. We've already followed them on Twitter. Just do authorize. Guys, you see we have 50 coin right there because we already followed them on Twitter. So let's check for something else. Claim this. Let's claim. Reach level 1 to participate in this. Okay, we are now up to level 1. So what do we need to do? Reach level 1 to double or claim your first reward. Okay, what do we need to do to get to level 1? Top winners, that's 24 hours. Okay, so how do we get to level 1? I guess we just need to engage, right? Let me see. So there's a leadership board. Wow, leadership board. The daily leadership will reward you $500 per day, and the monthly leadership 5,000. A total of 20,000 is rewarded for you this month. Whoa, 20,000. And this is the top leader. He has about 50,000 coin and 33,000 points. This one has about 30,000 points and 55,000 coin, I guess. So these are the top leaders. Wow, this is good. We are getting there, guys. So let's see, let's check the reward. What do we have here? Next reward is download the app. Let's quickly download the app and see. Let's click to install the app. It's redirecting us to Play Store. Guys, the app is not even up to 1 MB. So let's just quickly install the app and see. While we install the app, let's check about this app. So at your convenient time, you can just go through the app and see earn cash and crypto reward and prize for playing games and answering surveys. Okay, guys, you can quickly go through them and see for yourself. So I guess the app is installing. Guys, the app has been installed. I'm launching the app right now. So this is the app right here. So we are right here in the app and everything. We have our 50 coins. So let's quickly go to reward and see claim for installing the app. We downloaded the app, so let's claim. So we have about 200 coins right here, guys. So if you can chat here, there is a chat here. You can participate in the chat, and maybe I will release when the pending offer release. Okay, credit for leadership coin, but it's pending. Okay, so you can join their general chat, or you can join VIP's chat, whichever one you want to join. You just simply do that. So guys, the app is looking a bit different from the web page. We have shop right here instead of cash out, and then we have tax. Let's see the tax that are available for us to participate in. Let's click games. In from games, let's see. Well, these are the games that are available. I guess you got to install them, open them to a certain level, reach level 15, then your tax, you earn this amount from it. So guys, I guess we just have to jump into the referral program and see what we can do by participating in this referral program. So guys, I will drop my link in the Telegram channel and also in the pinned comment of this video. Just go ahead and watch, sign up and see how you can earn for yourself. Thank you guys. That will be all for this video. Goodbye. See you in our next video.